to simplify 2 surd 12 plus 3 surd 7. We cannot add them together because their surd are not the same. This one is surd 12 and this one is surd 27. So what you do is to first simplify them, each of them. But before simplification, you need to understand perfect squares. What are the perfect squares? Perfect squares. From 1 to 20, we have 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square, etc. These are the things you need to know first. It will help you to understand surd simplification. Okay, let's look. Now we have surd 12. For us to simplify this, we also need to know the factors of 12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are all factors of 12. And so when we want to simplify this, we need to know which one is the perfect square among them. It's 4. So 4. Now 4 times what? So which number will you multiply by 4 to get 12? That number is 3. And so at the end we are going to have 2 surd 3. And so this one we're going to have 2 times 2 surd 3. This is equals to 4 surd 3. Take note of this. Now let's go to this 3 surd 27. 27, we're going to get the factors of 27. 27 factor is equals to 1, 3, 9, and what? 27. Now at this point you see that the perfect square among the factors of 27 is what? 9. Okay? And so equals to 9 times what? What must you multiply by 9 to get 27? It's 3. So at the end, we are going to have the square root of 9 is 3 surd 3. Remember there's 3 here, so multiply by 3 equals to 9 surd 3. And finally, bring these two together. 4 surd 3 plus 9 surd 3. Now we can simplify them effectively. Why? Because their surd are the same. Surd 3, surd 3. Add them together. 4 plus 9, we are going to have 13 surd 3 as the final answer, which is what? 13 surd 3 as the correct answer. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel.